This little booklet is from the 1940s. It's 1947, General Motors Corporation, and it's The Train of Tomorrow. And it unfolds to about 33 inches. And here you've got what's called the Stardust chair car, the Skyview dining car. We got shadows still in them. The Dream Cloud sleeping car. The passengers would sleep, and the Moonglow observation car, where you'd go and to see how the people up on top are observing. That would be neat. Take a trip through Arizona like that. On the reverse side, you've got little art renditions of the inside, the Stardust. You've got here the Skyview, the Dream Cloud, and the Moonglow. That's an interesting name, huh? The Train of Tomorrow embodies new advances by Electromotive, Frigidaire, Detroit Diesel, Delco Products, and Hyatt Bearings divisions of General Motors.